Welcome to Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics series.
Hi, this is Sarah, and we are going to continue with converting from grams to moles, which we already did in the last video, but now we are going to continue. And our last step is to convert into molecules. So, when you want to convert grams to molecules, you cannot just jump straight away. You have to go step by step from grams to moles to molecules. So this example shows us how we did the first step, from grams to molecules. So now let's go ahead and get our moles that we got and convert that into molecules. So our question would be, how many molecules are in 1.78 moles of water, which formula is H2O. Okay, so in this question, what is given this time is the 1.78 moles of water, and what it is asking for is molecules. So we're going to start by what it is given. 1.78 mole, and again, over 1 is still that number. And we know that there can now be a relationship between moles and molecules. So we need to cancel out moles of water. It is in the numerator, therefore we must place that in the denominator. And molecules will have to go in the numerator. Molecules of water. Okay, so now our moles can cancel. Molecules of H2O is going to pop out into our answer. Molecules of H2O. So now what numbers do we put in here? Well, we still only have 1 mole of water. So that must remain 1 mole of water. There's just 1 mole of water here. But for molecules, now that is that number that we have to memorize, right? Avogadro's number. So if you know his number, go ahead and plug it in. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Kind of a big number. Okay, let's see if we can get that in. Perfect. Now, with our calculator again, we just need to multiply our 2 numerators straight across. We don't need to worry about the denominator since both are 1. So 1.78 times Avogadro's number, 6.022, and we use our EE button for our times 10 to the 23rd. And since our first question has 1, 2, 3 significant figures, and our second as well has 1, 2, 3 significant figures, our answer must have 3 significant figures. So we'll say it'll be 1.07. 1.07, the calculator says times 10 to the 24. Times 10 to the 24. Molecules of H2O. So we have our answer with the correct number of significant figures, 1.07 times 10 to the 24, and the correct unit, molecules of H2O. And that is also how many molecules are present in 32.0 grams of water. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap for today's episode of Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Chem Talk, Breaking Down the Basics episode.